Hello, love. Kamusta ka na dyan sa abroad?
Eto, okay lang love. Healthy naman si baby sa tiyan ko.
Love, nalilito pa rin ako eh. Normal lang ba talaga na mabuntis ka kahit na LDR tayo?
Oo, kasi nung nagbibideo call tayo, hindi tayo gumamit ng screen protector.
Thank you so much, guys. You've been absolutely amazing. Thank you. You guys are the best. Thank you so much.